All right, guys, and welcome back to the channel. With all the rain we've had recently, I think I'm going to go and look around the property, see what's kind of flooding out. I noticed a big puddle when I was walking with the dog this morning, so we're going to go and take a second look at some of the spots that I know always gather and pool water. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today, so let's jump into her. So this is the area I'm talking about. I've never seen a pool this big since we've been here. I want to say that's probably, it's got to be 2 or 3 inches deep. 4 to 6 inches? It's got to be 2 or 3 inches deep. Maybe not that much, maybe only 3. It's got to be 2 or 3 inches deep. And that's from yesterday, so it's probably out to here, a little bigger. But yeah, it's the biggest puddle I've seen there so far. Moving on. Yeah, the water's up a little bit, but I thought it'd probably be a little more, maybe over the bank. Doesn't look like it has gone over the bank, or else I'd have big pooling spots here. Oh yeah, at least a foot higher. Everything's starting to dry out, which is nice. A couple big limbs down. That's pretty much par for the course. Hopefully my fire pit's drying out a bit as well. Fire that up shortly. The Easter fire. Nothing says Easter like a big bonfire. Anyway, gonna head back.